Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to fix your upper glove compartment. As you can see, when I press to open, somehow this thing's still open, but when you try to close it, it's not working accordingly. So there's something wrong over here. Hopefully the gear is still in place, so don't try to slam it. If you slam it, you're gonna crack the arms over here and you're gonna be in big trouble. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys on how to remove this. First of all, you need to pop this thing out first. Okay, the shift knob right here, you need to pop this, and then after that you need to pop this cup holder and this trim right here, and on the right hand side you need to pop this vent, and on the lower run right here. So let me see if I can try to use one hand, but yeah, I need both my hands, so I'm gonna put on the tripod. And be careful about this wiring, okay? So you don't need to disconnect it. And now we're gonna pop this. Wow. And make sure this is straight up. So now we're gonna move to on the vent area right here. I'm gonna close this. All you need to do is pull this toward you. You need to remove the top one first. So actually I need to pry upward and then pull outward, okay? This is what it look like on the inside. And then now we're gonna remove this one. And with the upper compartment, you're gonna pull outward a little bit and then lift it up, okay? Oh, the gear came apart, okay? And as you can see, the pin is gone. Hopefully I can find the pin. This side is still intact, as you can see the silver one right there. In case you cannot find the pin, you will need to use like a plastic zip tie to tie around it, but I'm not sure if that's going to be smooth, so we need to remove this spring. This is where the gears sits in that. So lucky I found the pin, okay? So this is going to be easy fix. The pin was sitting right there between this metal piece and this plastic right there. So I'm going to open the door. See, the gear is supposed to sit in there. Let's see if I try to. Alright, I'm not going to put the pin in there so I get more leverage. Let me turn the flash. See, when I don't put the pin in, I got more leverage, so I can lift up and have a opening right there, so I can put in the gear. This gear in there, and make sure you put in the correct position. Okay. Well, anyway, come apart. So there are like a 2 clip on each side, one over here, one over there. You need to clip on those both sides, this side and then that side. Just like that, okay? And this is where the spring needs to go into the cover. And I'm going to put the hinge in there right now. By the way, don't do it like me, because this one's supposed to go inside first, so now the door doesn't close. I have to remove the hinge and then push this in first before I put the hinge. So I remove it. I gotta make sure I push this in. There you go. And then I need to realign this hole so I can put in the pin. So there you go. It was pretty easy to insert this time. And then I'm going to put like a black tape on the side because it seems like it's very loose. Or if you want, you could put like a Phillips screwdriver and then punch in a little bit. So make this a hole bigger so it doesn't move in and out on both sides. So what I'm gonna do is use both screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver on each end and push against it. So make this thing go bigger so it doesn't go through in and out. Alright, so now it's good. So before you put this in, because of this hump, you need to go in first, okay? Make sure you align these tabs through those holes. You got 1, 2, 3 holes over there. Oh, it's gonna break it, okay? You actually need to lift it up and support it. Match the hole and push in. And so is this. You got the tab. You need to match the holes in there, align correctly, or I'm gonna break those tabs. Make sure the wires are not in the way, okay? Kind of guide and let it go in. And straight down. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. I like to make this as easy as possible and let you guys understand what you need to do in order for you guys to make a mistake like me. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.